Give myself for taking from myself to give to others. How about that? Taking from myself to give to others. That sounds just like, giving, 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 but never allowing yourself to receive, So taking from yourself to give to others, giving all of your time away and not allowing yourself to have any time for self. Like, it's so good to have a power hour every day where you devote 1 hour to yourself and to your source, talking, like, give yourself some time. I do more than an hour, okay? And I love it. I remember back in the day when I was in Sacramento and I had my business in Sacramento, every morning I got up. Sometimes I'd work out, my former business partner would work out with me. But the first thing that I did when I got up was I had time with spirit, and I sat there and I would meditate for an hour every single day, 1 hour. And I would do my meditation. I would do some journaling. I do a little bit of positive reading. Sometimes I do a little bit of healing because people, I felt like I was getting like people would come to me while I'm meditating, like information messages and stuff for people would come to me, or something would come to me for a person. So I might end up doing some of that. And I mean, really, I would spend the better part of the morning just doing me, just doing spiritual stuff, just enjoying connecting with source and connecting with my ancestors, guides, and angels, and helping other people on their journeys if they came to me in a meditative state, and that's what I did. And I gave to myself. Now, when I moved to Maryland, I don't do it as much. I was in a space for a while that just didn't feel good energetically. When I had the home that I had in Sacramento and then my home in Texas, I had a space that I created that felt great. And that's where I did my spiritual work. But the space that I came into when I came to Maryland, I just didn't feel great. And so it kind of knocked me off my practice a little bit. And then I started doing some other things. But I'm gonna tell you, every day I got at least 1 hour devoted to self. I do that again. Now I'm doing that again. I'm devoting at least 1 hour in the morning to self. Oftentimes it ends up being more than an hour because I really enjoy my time with spirit. I really, really do. I mean, I practice during this time. I practice different types of divining during this time. I wake up and I talk to all of my beloveds. I talk to all of my beloveds. I speak to them every morning when I get up. I do some meditations. I do some protection work. I do a whole lot. And then next thing I know, I'll be like, dang, it's late. Guess I got to go talk to some people, talk to my clients. But I don't talk to clients or anything work related before I have done some spiritual work. I have to be grounded and centered and connected with my beloveds. I have to be connected before anybody can come in. And I don't care who you are unless it's a big emergency. But even if it's an emergency, I'm still going to do my protection and stuff before I let you in. So if you call me all early, you probably going to get a voicemail. And then I'll protect myself, and then I may call you right back because I'm selfish with that time that I devote to myself and my collective. Okay. So I want you to repeat after me. I forgive myself for taking from myself to give to others. Let's say it again. I forgive myself for taking from myself to give to others. And I want you to start. If you heard what I said, you heard my little journey, my mornings, okay? You don't get to come in. I don't care what your emergency is, okay? I don't care. Because guess who I love the most? Me, okay? And for real, even if somebody died, if you had to wait, they're still going to be dead. I mean, I'm just being honest. I'm really being honest right now. So, but see, this is a person who used to put everybody else first, for real. And I had to stop, because when you give all of your energy away, then you become depleted. And especially if you don't fill yourself back up. So that's another thing. When you come to Rose's Lavender and Sage, you will learn a lot. If you go back through the videos, you'll find the information. There's a lot of information in all of the videos. I've been doing videos for years. We have like hundreds, we may have about 600 videos on this channel. So definitely go back and look at stuff, because I give tidbits. I give pointers all the time. That's all I do, is give people pointers on what to do. So anyway, be selfish and love yourself enough to give to yourself first. Connect with your beloved first. And that's one thing I want you guys to do. So if you're on YouTube or wherever, comment and let me know if you're going to start doing you first before you let anybody else in, and at least get grounded and centered. If you know that the person calling on that phone is about to be some drama, then you better do you first. And you better protect your space from that drama that's about to bombard you, okay? And sometimes I let people, when they call me and they be calling back to back, especially clients, I let them go through that manic stuff. Let me let you get all that out. Because if I answer you now, then I get to get all of that. You get to throw all of that on me. If I let you wait, even if it's like an hour, guess what? You would have simmered down a little bit. Because you have to remember, I'm an empath. That's one of my highest abilities, is my empathic ability. So I feel what other people feel. So when someone calls me, Miss Tillman, I'm like this. Oh my God. I'm like, look, that's what I want to do sometimes. Like, oh my God, really? And so sometimes I just let people get it out. Okay. And I release, sometimes you got to know how to release while somebody's talking, or don't even let it hit you. Like you got this barrier right here, and everything they say goes, boom, 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 but it good stuff right here. Bing, 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 like bullets, like what's his name? Neo in the Matrix, when he was going on like that. That's what I do with people's energy. I be like, that energy ain't hitting me. That crazy energy. Hell no. But anyway. Okay. I choose to believe that when I prioritize my needs over the needs of others, I am able to give more abundantly and without expectation. Hallelujah. Okay? Yes. I choose to believe that when I prioritize my needs over the needs of others, is that what I've been saying? I'm able to give more abundantly and without expectation. Exactly. Because when I can, be present with you instead of being hit with all your stuff, I got to get to that place first, that I am right here and I'm good and all of that. I know you about to give me some, but I don't want it to come all up in here. It can only go right there. You know what I'm saying? And when I get myself set and I'm ready, then I can receive you, and I can see through the